daughter Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I'm going to be revealing the latest package from Fab Fit Fun. And this is their Summer Editor's Box Edition for 2020. I have posted prior videos on Fab Fit Fun, and I will post those videos somewhere here, or at the end of the video. First thing that we see is the brochure that comes with every Fab Fit Fun box. As you may or may not know, Fab Fit Fun is a true lifestyle box, subscription box that comes out 4 times a year. So they're saying what's in the box right there, that the total will be anywhere between $225.50 to upwards to $477 US. Okay, so they pick a thing here where they say all members. Then there's a branch called select members, where I think you pay a little extra in order to choose, have more of a choice selection on what. And then they have FFPs, that's Fab Fit Fun's pick. They will surprise you with 3 options. Look at the first pretty thing here that caught my eye. This is from Yumi Kim, and this is the wireless charging pod. I got the charging pod. Excellent. This will definitely come in handy, and I just love the feminine touch of these beautiful colorful flowers, perfect for the spring and summer months. And this is, it says rest your phone on the pad and watch the battery recharge in a flash. This pad supports QI or key compatible devices only. I gotta see what that is. And the price is $35 US. So cute. I'm going to show you the picture here so you can see. That's what it looks like. The next thing that I came across, this is a roll-on fragrance original. Ooh, what is this? This is from Riddle. Okay. Fragrances are so personal. Like, it's a risk to send someone a fragrance. I'm loving the bottle. I love the aesthetic. It's very, simple, classic, clean looking. Oh, it unrolls like this. Oh, and it is a roller. You see there. This is a very unique fake. Well, this smells different from what I would normally buy myself. Let's see. It's called Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. And it's $50 US. I don't even know if this is full size, but the scent, like I said, it has an oil base, and oils tend to last longer on the skin. And I'm loving it already. It smells clean to me. Is Fab Fit Fun's pick. Okay, so this is the Cali Cosmetics Foot Cream with menthol and Tarocco. Interesting. A combination of menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet. Is for $24. Wow. Okay. I could definitely use that. Summertime? Who doesn't want their feet to look beautiful? Why not? The next box I have here is something called a beach mist. Let's see if I can find it here. Here it is. The Lifestyle Company Beach Mist. Okay. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe mint and lavender mixture, and it's for $42 US. Wow. Okay. I love the scent of lavender, so I know I'm definitely going to be using it. Packaging, and like, hello, you have me at aloe, lavender, and mint. Let's see if I get this tip. Okay, nice mist. Oh, it feels nice. Woo! It smells clean. This is stuff I'm definitely going to use. Never heard of the company, but I'm like, right. Here is the next to come up in the box. And this looks like a company called Terra Mira? Terra Mira? Mere. Actually, the accent would be at the other end. Mere. Maybe. Sounds fancy. Aloe and tea tree toner. Yes. Reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and slows away dead skin cells. And it's 54 US dollars. What it looks like inside. This is the bottle. Sexy. See how it smells. Oh, it has a little, the bottle does have some heft, so be careful with this that you don't drop it. Yes, I do. It's the perfect hair shampoo and conditioner combo. Nice. Okay. Love it. It's paraben free, sulfate free. Love it. Mineral oil free, cruelty and gluten free, vegan, UV protection. Love it. And I'll read what it says here in the description. It says, achieve camera ready hair. This duo softens and strengthens hair while adding body and shine. It's 64 US dollars. Okay, so this is from Dry Bar. Okay. This is the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. For the hair? What? This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to soften and condition hair and protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And it says right there to shake it up. Ooh, I love detanglers. I love anything for hair and skincare. And this basically runs the gamut. Oh, look at this little guy. Last but certainly not least is the Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. Okay, this applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. And this is 20 US dollars. Kind of reminds me of the Beauty Blender and the packaging as far as it being like this, so little minute. And the color's cute. So overall, what would I say about this wonderful FabFitFun box? This FabFitFun box focused mostly, it seems, on skincare, which is great. Summertime, it is all about skincare and hair. Wondering how the summer box is curated. They give you a step-by-step as to how that's done, which, you know, it's good to know. They also have an app in case you're interested. And they tell us where the summer edit sale is going to kick in. They even give a crossword puzzle. FabFitFun has an add-ons feature. This stuff is wonderful. The Marrakesh oil, Kopari's lip, the coconut lip, awesome. Are you a FabFitFun subscriber? Would you like to be? I'll leave a code below so that you can try your first box with $10 off. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are a subscriber, did you get the same, or I'm sure you got maybe something a little different? Maybe you chose something different for your selection. Maybe you chose the kimono. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. One thing I do love about this brand is that also they try to feature more female-centric, female-fronted, female-owned companies. Yes. And they tend to use all their artists on the box. They try to be diverse with the artists that they use for each box. They all are also tend to be female, which is wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. If you haven't already, hit that like button, even better. Hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. And I will see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Be safe. Bye.